Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. In this video we will be exploring Rock Garden, which is located in RK Puram Sector 7. This is the main gate of Rock Garden. In front you have government quarters of RK Puram Sector 7. So come and let's explore this Rock Garden with me. As you can see, these are the ruins of Aravali Hills. You have a good pavement facility here. Now you must be thinking why I am showing you this normal park. But guys, this is not any normal park. This park was made after carving out from Aravali Hills. This whole RK Puram Sector 7 was created by blasting, and it was literally killed by dynamite. You can see these ruins and some residual rocks. These are the symbol of Aravali Hills. The makers of this park quietly named this park as Rock Garden. They could have easily made the name of this park as Aravali Park. But CPWD wanted to hide its crime, that's why they named this park as a Rock Garden. For poor and hungry people like us, this is a cheap picnic spot. As you know that we cannot afford to go to expensive hill stations. So climbing rock of this government garden is an adventure for us. Using cheap Redmi phones and spending not much on vacations, we just spend time in these government colonies. Hill station of poor people like me. Earlier in this park there were many drunkards and smokers. You must be hearing the noise of aeroplane because Indira Gandhi Airport is hardly 15 minutes away from here. These are government apartments, and the tank which you are seeing in front of you is of RK Puram Sector 8, and if you take this road it will lead you towards RK Puram Sector 7 market. So as you can see, people have thrown here pan masala, cigarettes. People don't respect Aravali Hills. Aravali Hills is the gem of India, but people don't value it. I can't pass through this because there are stings attached to the plant. I can say cactus. And if I try to go from there, I will fall down and my legs will break. In this hot weather, my phone is burning a lot. You can literally bake chapatis in my phone, so hot is my phone. Oh my god, I was literally fell down. I think the Aravalis don't like people to make video vlogs here. This must be a curse from Aravali mountain. That's why I fell down from this. Look how people have destroyed this park by writing their lover's name. Sometimes nature punishes you silently. So falling off me from the rocks was the nature's punishment. This rock garden is surrounded by RK Puram Sector 8, Vasant Vihar and Rao Tularam flyover. You have these swings. You can call it as a mini open gym. I think there must be a rock garden in Chandigarh as well. If anyone watching this video from Chandigarh, please let me know and comment below. Many times people get confused from rock garden of Delhi and Chandigarh. This was the open gym I was talking about. In front you have these government apartments. My phone is acting like a burning train in this hot weather. People living in RK Puram government quarters are enjoying their life in air conditioner and cooler, but a struggler like me is roaming outside. This park should be maintained a lot and water should be sprinkled here regularly. Then only the aesthetics will be increased of this park. Only the socialist type government quarters increases the aesthetic value of this rock garden. Well, to reach here you can take metro of Vishveshwariya Motibag, or else you can take bus 604, 620 or 680 to reach here. This place is easily accessible. You have parking space for car and bike both. Hope you guys like this video. Till then, take care, stay blessed and always feel happy.